Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Charter Oak local and long distance movers near me. Trying to find for a qualified and cheap Charter Oak moving company should really be quick and easy. 3 Movers works hard to make sure your local or long distance move goes smoothly. We deliver the proper services for any kind of move, whether residential or commercial. Our customers include all types of people from students to veterans and from house owners to entrepreneurs. If you're prepared to move into a dorm room, a new residential property, or even a new small business location, we can definitely help you. We make sure your long-distance move happens on schedule, free from worry. Hiring our team to help you means your cross-country relocation will go effortlessly. By having the right moving services to assist you, any kind of relocation, large or small, becomes so much simpler. We take care of all the required moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, always on time, and transparent pricing. Whenever you need to work with a California moving company, rationalizing the cost might seem challenging. However, following a close look at the primary benefits of working with a local moving company, you will likely see that it's well worth it. You will certainly save time with your local relocation when you hire a moving company. Avoiding the heavy lifting also provides an additional advantage you get from using the best local movers. When you hire our movers, you receive pros ready to make your local move very simple. You do not have to worry about spending several days dealing with your move when you pick 3 movers to help. Moving locally may be very quick, and our crew can deal with even a large move in just one morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Charter Oak moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.